G'day everyone, my name is Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. Today's date is the 22nd of the 6th, 2015 and it's 20 to 11 in the morning. I hope you like this video and if so please subscribe. So I was going to go down to the beach, but I saw this one bird up in the tree there and he wanted food. So I put some food in both bird feeders so these fellas can eat in peace without being disturbed by say a magpie. We just flew past. So we'll get down to the beach. See if we can lift this camera up and get a better angle on. Oh, we've got pigeons here, we've got magpies here now. Ah, come on magpie, you had to scare them away. Ah, there's two spots magpie to eat, and you had to go to the one where they're eating it. Oh, how rude. I mean, he couldn't have gone to the other one, could he? There's another bird feeder right over there. Oh well. Oh, he's in the tree there. There you are. He's thinking. Yeah, you can have the other one. I'm surprised how aggressive these little ones are. One of these took on two birds twice the size, almost. Huh. They won't take on a magpie. Magpie's a noisy bugger, isn't he? Noisy eater. Trying to break him open. He's got the wrong type of pig for it. Oh well. We'll head off and go down to the beach. My name is Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you for watching my videos and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.